everybody, it's Debbie from the Empower Simcoe. I'm from the EarlyON Center in Bradford. Hope you're all doing good and keeping safe. So I've started my gardening inside already. Anyway, we'll start today with our sunflowers. Of course, they're the hardiest. That's why I'm picking out on the sunflowers. But you can use any kind of seeds you want to. They're all really good. And as long as you take care of them, you can grow almost anything. And the kids, get them involved. It's the greatest thing. They like getting dirty. Anyway, what I'll do today is we're going to start with our window greenhouses. We used to do that at the center. I'm not sure if anybody remembers or not. But anyway, I've got about 4 or 5 cotton balls here. Also, I've set up a little box and I've got all my gardening stuff in there. And I'll add into it during the summer. It just helps to keep organized and not running in and out all the time. So I'm getting my cotton balls wet. And I'll put them in the baggie. I'm going to do about 5 or 6 cotton balls. Spread them apart. And you can also add the dry ones and then just spray bottle it if you want to too. It's always fun. They look like clouds in the bag. There's our cotton balls. Of course they're all wet now. Then I'm going to take the sunflower seeds. I'll just put a few right here on the counter. And honeymoon tweezers. And we'll pick up a sunflower seed and stick it right in on top of the wet cotton ball. You can do about 5 or 6 of these in your bag, or even 10 if you want to. And just, we're just going to take them in the window and wait until they get to a certain length. Usually when they have a couple of leaves on them. So I've got the sunflowers in there, and I'm going to squeeze it tight. You see the sunflowers right now. And I have a permanent marker, and I'm going to mark on the date, today's date. And we're in March already, getting ready for those April showers. So we won't plant any of these outside until May 24 weekend, or maybe even a week before May 24, depending on the weather. So I'm going to tape it. I have my green painter's tape. That way you're not going to be ripping paint off the walls. So you find a really nice south window usually, but any window will do, as long as you get sunshine coming in. There's my window, and I've got the sunshine coming right in this morning, or today. I'm gluing it up there on the thing to see them. And so last weekend, I planted a few and stuck them in my window, my real window, and look at that, they've grown. They have grown, so that's been about 1 week, and it's magnifying glass out, and you can take, there, we'll get pictures of them. They're still a little bit tiny, but there's some in there that you can see the roots coming out. So once they get big enough, all you have to do is get an egg carton, save all your eggshells up until that date, because you don't want to be eating eggs on the day of. And so you put your half eggshells, let it dry out a bit before you put them into the carton. And we're going to add some dirt. Oh, I just spilled some. So I'm going to put about a spoonful of dirt in each eggshell here. And that will do it. This is going to make a lot. There's one more. There we go. So I got them all in the eggshell and the egg carton. Now I'm going to take them and put them into the dirt, the cotton balls. There's one right there. I'll stick that right into the egg. I'll just leave it on the egg carton and you can wash it. Keep it wet. Not soaking wet, but just wet. So that's probably better when you use the spray bottle to keep them all wet. There you go. And now you're going to have fun just watching them grow too in the egg carton. And when you go to plant them outside, you can crush the egg carton, but don't hurt the roots. And just plant it all right into the garden like that. If you don't have egg cartons or egg shells, you can always pick up the containers from the dollar store and fill those up too with dirt. Do the same thing. Watch them all grow. Once they get about a few inches, a couple inches high, it's a good time to put them outside, depending again on the weather. Anyway, that's it for now. Hope you guys are all taking care, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube station. Have a good day. Bye.